In Filmora 12, there are features of many AI tools, so today we will see some of those AI features. First AI feature is AI copywriting. Filmora AI copywriting is integrated with the ChatGPT API. You can create scripts, title, description, and much more. I have generated description for glitch intro video of 50 words. And it can be generated in many languages. In a few seconds, a description was generated for my video. And a lot of description, so I will use it if I find it right. Now let's see the AI feature with text to image. Here the feature of the top side AI image will be visible. Click on it, then in a few seconds, a new pop-up window will open. Then whatever image you want to generate here, you have to put its text. Now the size has to be selected. After that the image has to be selected in which style. Then you can download the image from here and use it in your videos. The next feature is the AI Smart Cutout. It is useful to remove the background. Let me see. By selecting video, coming to AI tools. Then the AI Smart Cutout feature will be seen at the bottom. Now we have to select with brush, something like this. Then click to start. Then the background of the video will be removed. The next feature is the AI audio stretch. This feature is used to stretch the audio, something like this. So hopefully, you must have liked the AI features of this Filmora.